Good morning, friends. I am Dr. Narendra Patwardhan, a senior dermatologist from Pune. I have been in the field of dermatology for more than 35 years. Along with my panelists, Dr. Dhanashri Bide, Dr. Rohini Gaikwad, and Dr. Anaga Dudbate, they themselves are senior dermatologists from Pune. We are going to have a unique webinar on acne management tips on Friday at 8 o'clock. So do not miss it. It is meant for all. It is meant for practicing doctors. It is meant for the dermatologists attached in the hospital, those who are the postgraduates. They will be getting all the practical tips on acne management tips. I am thankful to US Vitamins for taking this initiative, and do not forget to log in tomorrow, that is Friday at 8 p.m. For the webinar on acne practical tips. Thank you very much for your patient hearing.